So my friend, we are at Udanthani Night Plaza. Actually it is night market or food area, but here it is called as a night plaza. They have food stalls, not much crowd, but let's see when I get inside. Nice, not so much crowded. Here you can purchase garments and other things. So these are all food stalls. तो हम लोगों ने फ्राइड राइस विद एग ऑर्डर किया है और लग तो बहुत अच्छा रहा है, विद वेजिटेबल लेमन भी है और उसके साथ में सॉस भी दी हुई है। लेट्स सी, खा के देखते हैं। my friends, we have reached at Nine Plaza shopping area. There are garment shops. Some shops are closed and some are open. And they have got these all varieties, nice shirts. Just a few items. So let's walk and explore. It looks like there are some more restaurants over here, but not like that, the other one where we sat. Let's go. They're selling phones also. It looks like this is a night plaza across the street. Okay, we need to go there and check what's there. So this is the actual night market, and it's full of shops. All shops are open and looks good. There's cosmetic shop, and there are garments like t-shirts. Over there some more garment shops. You can get glasses for 200 or 300. Here's some shoe shop. So my friend, this is Udantani railway station, and night market is just opposite to it. And there are two parts. First where we sat and eat, that was some small part, and this is the other part where there are so many shops of garments and shoes and other things. And here it is another part also. And I think there are garment shops and food court also. So let's explore. Look, it is just located in front of railway station and behind KFC. So you can see there are so many shops of shirts, watches, souvenirs. Some snacks. This is another food court here. there are Korean restaurants, Chinese restaurants. And here are some mobile shops. And I don't know what it is. Some oils. And this night market looks bigger one. It is live band also, and there are so many people around here. Wow, it looks quite good. It's also there on the other side. So my friends, we have seen this market, and I think we should head to our hotel, because after food too much walking isn't good, remember.